Alright, so we stopped by Modern Day, by Rob's place. He's got the muffler shop. This is Rob. Hi, Rob.
Hi.
Oh, yeah. This is how we did the whole exhaust on the purple car. This is where I come for all my bits for more exhaust on the purple car and other cars. And eventually the Avant. Okay, so if you saw the exhaust before, it was like hanging down all low and shitty, and we thought it was all bent up, but you see how flush that sits in there right now. It's definitely not bent. It sits like perfectly. Like, oh yes.
We still gotta get the flares up there and get that lined up.
Yeah, we'll do some flareage on that flex pipe. This guy is chilling a little lower, which we could probably fix that, but it's really not too bad right now, so we're just gonna keep it where it's at. And yes, finally, not gonna get it all shoddy looking, make it nice so I can be even more slammed. Thanks, Rob.
No problem, man. Thanks.
If you need some muffler work, come to this guy.
Need some parts? Go to moderndaymuffler.com.
Yeah. He's also got a YouTube channel doing some weird shit.
Videos.
Art videos.
On the outer flex. Oops. Yeah, 2.61 outer diameter on it. .77 up in here. Perfect. So you got a 1/10. I don't think you need to.
I can weld that up.
Yeah, you should be able to fill that with your weld easily. So you should put that in there. And then, so you're actually coming up into where the pipe fits tight. And then just fill right in here. Just fill right in here all the way around.
Could, yeah.
That'll give you a nice. That'll give you a nice weld.
Yeah.
That'll look good when you're up under there as well.
Yeah. And
then we're just gonna blow this out to that 2.9, so that it's not.
Very nice. It fits so much better in there. It's such a good look up in there. Which I don't got as much of a blast pipe anymore, but that's okay. Alright, get this lady welded up in here. But that wasn't too much. Woo! Okay, let's see if I did it. I'll be back. Right. We got to blow that side out a wee bit more, fit into that 3-inch piece there, which I actually have that piece blown out a little bit more as well, so I'm gonna have to do this pretty close to probably a 3-inch. Down there. Now, damn it. Fuck. Whoopsie. Alright. It's kind of funny is to paint a lot of cars right here and here, and here. And I worked on a lot of them right here and back there, all over here, and in here. It's crazy. Alright, so not the best welder, but I'm damn happy with those welds. I gotta get that little gap right up there. But look. So, as you can see, it's all welded up now, nice and flush, pretty all the way back. Got this guy up in here, new exhaust hanger. For a minute I was only literally running one back here and one up here, which no bueno, so now I got this guy and one in the back, so we should be pretty good. Alrighty guys, so got the exhaust up and in, nice and flush, and nice and tight in there. Not too horrible of welds, not the best welder, but they'll do. Yeah, baby. Alright. Finishing up here at Modern Day.
Huh?
Thanks, sir.
Not a problem, buddy. Have a good one, man.
We'll be back.
See you next time.
Indeed. Peace, guys.
Awesome.
Oh, hey. Wait, do I need the key to lock that, or is it just...
No, it's just locked.
Oh, yeah. Peace, man. Alright. Got the car all low. Exhaust all good. A little different looking, but it sounds like a billion times better, so happy with that. Shut off, and yeah, that baby is such a good friend of mine. Oh, goodbye. Alright, guys. So now, I'm gonna get some more crap done around the house, and we might go blow some tires apart either today or tomorrow, so we shall be back. Peace. Alright guys, so today I went and got the exhaust all buttoned up underneath the car. It's got the coils on it too, so she's nice and low, but a lot better than it was before. Metal hanging down, so I can actually slam her down real nice. But now that she's slammed, I'm actually rubbing really bad on that little lip on the inside of there. There's a little better shot, kind of on the inside of that. So I'm starting to cut away at it. I'm gonna chop that up.